भाई रशिया आए और बर्फबारी का मजा लें, ऐसा मुमकिन है? नहीं, क्यों?
सही.
So we have a thing called in Middle East called sandy storm, but in Russia it's a hailstorm. It will freeze you to death.
Есть Настя, есть Женя Андриенко. Доброе утро, куда это? А он отправил какое-то это назначение негосударственного. Мне кажется, я тебе буду говорить. Люди, господи! Боба, куда поехал? Чарлик-то уже ездил сюда.
Since I was here, so I've decided to show you this area called Shita, the third one, which is 1885 kilometers. भाई रशिया आए और बर्फबारी का मजा लें, ऐसा मुमकिन है? नहीं, क्यों?
Сахи. Радости-то, радости. А игрушки ты его не взяла? Нет?
So I was in one of my wife's relative house in one of the small village in Russia, and apparently I found out something very interesting. So I thought I'm gonna share with you guys. So I don't know if you remember the movie called Perfume, and this is really amazing because I was just trying to find out something which is connected to your Soviet Union, but when I saw this, then I realized that this is something which makes you also exciting. This is how the packing is, and the moment you open it, actually, so I'm sure you watched the movie Perfume. So exactly say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 10 fragrance which makes one of the best perfume in the world. And the movie was based on the same story. So every time when he wanted to make one fragrance, so he killed one woman, wrapped the woman with some kind of wax, So make one perfume out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11th one is actually the combination of all those 10. So that's what I thought to share with you all. And there's no further information on that. Yeah, only made bottle sealed in France, nothing else. And this is Kiri. As of today, temperature minus 36 degrees, and this is one of I think seems to be Russian plus kind of husky dog, and that's old Russian cow, which they were using actually during Soviet Union, the World War II. Experiencing snow first time. So we have a thing called in Middle East called sandstorm, but in Russia it's a hailstorm. It will freeze you to death. So she purposely took me in winter where the degree is minus 40. Is this a kind of revenge you are taking from me, bringing in minus 40, 50 degrees in Russia?
Обоссал машину, как обычно. Ну, Толя, не выпускайте. Там хам задает его.
У него все живы собаки или сдохли?
Да, 3 живые.
А было 3?
Точно, Оля.
Было больше.
Сколько было?
8. Больше.
Это от нее.